Hey YouTube, just wanted to get on here and demonstrate the carbonated bubble clay mask. I did order this online about 2 weeks ago. I haven't had a chance to get around on making a video, but I did order it on Amazon for, I think it was $12. I'm not sure. I'll link it in the box below. So I've been wanting to try it out for a while. The packaging is super cute. It comes in this little bitty box that has like a little piggy on there with the little carbonated mask, clay mask on his face. The directions are not in English on either side of the box. The box is super cute. It's got like little bunny rabbits all in it. Here's the product. It says cosmetic carbonic acid and clay pack. So it doesn't even say how many ounces it is. Okay, well, let's open it up and see. So it comes with a little spatula. It smells like clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in the camera and put it on my face. fuzzy, like foamy. It didn't foam everywhere, and I think maybe because I've been fanning myself, it kind of, the bubble started decreasing. But as you can tell, like, it's really fuzzy, like on top up here. Not sure if you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse off and see if it did take off my makeup. It's supposed to remove blackheads and just clarify your skin and brighten it or whatnot. So we'll see. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, so I washed it all off. It did, my baby just woke up. It did take a while to come off. It was really slimy, but my face feels really clean. It's, and it did remove most of my makeup, or all of it actually, but sorry for the bare face, but I just wanted to go and did a really good job. It doesn't even feel dry. It just feels real, like real clean. Like I just had like a facial done. So I just wanted to get on here and show y'all how I do the carbonated bubble clay mask. If I were to give it a review, it would, at a 1 out of 10, probably like a 7 or an 8. It feels really good on my skin. So I feel like my skin looks really refreshed. It feels tingly, like it did cleanse it very well. So okay, just wanted to show y'all that. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Please like and subscribe, and I will put the link below on where I got this on Amazon. Thanks, have a good one.